Just seeing if I can get all these bolts. Okay, so there's 4 bolts holding the intake runners on. I'm going to take those off after I get all the hoses and cables off and see where it goes from there. I've never touched a carburetor before in my life, so this is all new to me. So if I'm messing things up, sorry, but that's the way it goes. You live and you learn. But I will pause it while I get that off, because it's going to take a while to get these bolts off. So with a lot of manipulation of the wiring and stuff, I finally got the carburetor off. Looks like both valve guides are in the same position, so it's not the intake side, possibly. But I'm not the guy to watch take apart a carburetor, because this is my first time and I have no clue. There's much better videos on YouTube of taking carburetors apart, and so I will let you watch those. I'm just basically showing that the person that doesn't know how to do it can do it if they take their time and do it. So I will take this apart. There's floats and jets under here and a couple O-rings that I want to see if they're huge from the gas, and if not, I'll put it back together. And then there's another thing here that sometimes it's got 4 little holes at the top of it that air is supposed to go through. See if those are plugged up so the air can't get through and it'd be running rich. And maybe that's why I'm getting the exhaust backfires, because it's running rich and too much fuel is getting in there, and the fuel is unburnt fuel is hitting the exhaust pipes and causing an explosion and backfiring. So that's where I stand now. Take it apart, figure it out, and get back to you after that. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.